Very nice, ready?
Something else, something else. I'm just a woman, somebody else. She's a force of mountain.
Kulay?
Medyo ito, ang dami ko nakikitang kulay, oh. Pero mas lalo dito. Relax, relax. First of all, gusto ko lang sabihin, congratulations sa'yo. Kasi, tinan mo naman, di ba? Palaging sold out yung crowd mo. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito, sa pag-support kay Pink. Ako, never ko ginagawa to. Ito, live with you. Pero para sa'yo, gagawin ko to. Meron pa ba? O dapat meron pa, siyempre. Inom muna ako ng tubig. So we're slowly taking it back to like memory lane. And then, ano ba yung next one? Sing along na lang kung gusto mo. Wala kami, nag-enjoy lang kami dito, nagkakwentuhan na kami. Gusto naman araw mo, you were a bit stressed na kanina.
Earlier, but now that I'm here, I'm so happy.
You're like shaking and stuff, but you're doing great.
Yeah, I feel safe.
Hey guys, huwag muna kayong umuwi ha. Kasi marami pa. So after ng Peace into her season 2. Nandito yung director ng movie na yun, Direct P. Ano kaya pa? I love you. Thank you for being here. Ito, dedicated sa'yo to. At lahat sa mga sumuporta ng Inconvenient Love.
Thank you so much.
I love you daw, sabi. Ano sabi? I love you, Ben daw.
I love you. Ito na nga, dapat ngayon ko sinabi to eh.
Ano
I feel safe.
Take two.
Take two. I feel safe. Kayo ba guys? May idea ba kayo kung anong next namin kakantahin?
Kumusta naman kayo dyan sa taas? Dyan sa likod dyan, kumusta naman kayo? Dito sa gitna. Lahat kayo, kumusta kayo lahat? Okay pa naman sila. Okay. Alam nyo na, sabayin nyo kami dito. Kasi nakakamiss si Bingo tsaka si Ling eh.
Bingo, play.
Aalis na daw siya. Huwag ka muna malis.
Bakit?
Thank you guys, we love you.
Guys, personally na to. Thank you so much for being here. Alam ko kung gano'n ka hands-on. We've been practicing this for days, weeks even. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much for all the effort. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations on a successful concert. You are the definition that when you believe in something, it can happen. And I'm so proud of you.
The Theater at Soler! Give it up for Donnie Pangilinan!
Bel Mariano!
I'm at that stage and point in my life since I'm 22 that I'm learning so much more from myself. You know, how do I navigate things in life? Where do I see myself? Let's say in 5 years, 10 years. So for me now, the simple act of discovering something from myself, or like, hey, I can do this, or hey, I can do that. Hindi ko pala kaya ito, ganun. For me, that's love now. Self-discovery. I personally share my love to my family, my friends, everyone that loves me, the people that support me, whether that may be my acting or my music career. Any form or any way I can, I share my love to them. If I were to describe my family's love in one word, it would be safe. Their love made me feel safe and comfortable. It's important that they're around me because they remind me of who I truly am and what's lovable about me. And it's important we surround ourselves with the right environment and the proper people that reminds us of who we are. At one point naman, di ba, in general, like all of us at one point would feel na parang question na, does someone love me? Or like, or kamahal-mahal ba ako? Wow! Kamahal-mahal ba ako? And then, pero it's all rooted to you nga. Kasi like, as often as I say it, or as cliche as it is, it's true when they say, no one will love you if you don't love yourself. And I'm a firm believer of that saying. Na you have to learn how to love yourself first. And once you learn how to love yourself first, that love you have will be so full that you'll be able to exude it and to radiate it to other people and the people around you. Yeah, it's masaya magmahal. Masarap maka-receive ng pagmamahal, pero masarap din mag-share ng